Central Park in Bangkok? Not really words you expect to go together, but we're here at Benjakitti Park and it's absolutely spectacular. It's kind of hard to believe because it's so peaceful here, but we're about 5 minutes away from the city centre. Just over there is the Aso area where you'll find your big malls like Terminal 21, you'll find the Nana area which you might have heard of, but we're here in a park. It's kind of hard to get my head around, like right there, the city is humming, and right here, it's just so lovely and peaceful. There's nature all around us, I can see amazing wetlands surrounding us. I'm going to show you around the whole park. Oh, you're going to love it. We're here in the middle of the day and it's super hot. Make sure you bring water when you come, you're really going to need it. The park is full of the most amazing elevated skywalks. You're right in line with all of the trees. And they've set up these great spots where you can take a look over the whole park. You can see the city in the distance and the park right in front of you. I can't even describe how amazing this is. You just need to come to Bangkok's newest Central Forest Park and see it for yourself. The view is incredible. You know I love finding nature in Bangkok, and what I love so much about this place is all of the incredible swamp kind of land. We've already spotted 2 monitor lizards, and I can't wait to see what else we find too. There's been so much thought that's gone into this park. There are amazing walkways absolutely everywhere you go. You can choose to go up on the skywalk or walk down below so you're amongst all the swamps. And they've got these amazing observation decks absolutely everywhere. You can climb up a little bit higher and take in all the views of the park. So it's pretty obvious that the Central Forest Park is an amazing place for walking, but it's also a great place for biking too. There are really great bike tracks throughout the park, so you can just bring your bike along and cycle on through. Just take in those views, you won't feel like you're in Bangkok at all. It's so green, it's so lush, and you'll be completely blown away. The park is only recently opened and it's still continuing to expand. As you can see behind me, this bit's still closed, but it won't be long until it opens up and we can go explore that too. If you want to see phase 3 of this park, just let me know in the comments, and we'll go and explore it so you don't have to. It's so hard to believe that we're in Bangkok right now. Right behind me, just there, is the Aso intersection. It's one of the craziest, busiest intersections in all of Thailand. But we're right here, where it's really quiet, just peace and quiet in the park. It's kind of hard to get my head around. If you do decide to step off the skywalk and walk along the amazing pathways all around the park, you're going to find the most amazing flowers everywhere. They're growing right against the paths and they're just so beautiful. I couldn't see them from the skywalk, and I just love seeing the bright yellow and red colours. It's so lovely. Everywhere is so lush and so vibrant. Literally, as far as I can see, it's just green. It's so beautiful. Oh, just up here is one of the observation decks. Let's go have a look. This is such a good place for running. There's so many different routes you can take so you don't run into anyone else. There's a lotus lake right here, so I had to sit down to take a look. It's just so peaceful here. I can see butterflies and dragonflies flying all around. I can hear the birds chirping. I just don't feel like I'm in Bangkok at all right now. That's the amazing thing about Thailand. I can never imagine Central Park in New York City having its very own lotus lake. I just saw a turtle swimming past. That's so cool. I really wanted to show you guys, but I don't think he's going to come out again. He's somewhere down there in all the plants and greenery. As well as having an amazing green space, Benjakitti Central Forest Park also has an outdoor amphitheatre. I think this is going to be used for outdoor performances, but if you know more about it, let me know. I really want to know. Seriously, this amphitheatre is absolutely huge. I bet this would be an amazing place to watch an outdoor performance. Something that I haven't heard anyone talk about are the trees that are planted throughout the amphitheatre. When these trees mature, they're going to make the most amazing natural canopies. They're going to protect you from all the sunlight and keep you in the nice cool shade. The architect of this park has truly thought of everything. Okay, I've shown you the amphitheatre. Now we're going to head back into the green space and I'll show you the more developed part of the park. If you want the park all to yourself, then you need to come in the middle of the day. It's completely empty right now. If you're looking for cooler weather, try coming in the morning or in the evening. It's going to be way busier, but you're going to get that weather that you're really after. If you want to see a full walking tour of this amazing Central Forest Park, then head over to our next video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.